Hi, my name's Crystal, and I'm an expert roller skater, but I'm definitely not a DIY expert. And according to those lovely people at DIYblinds, that doesn't matter at all, as you don't need to be a DIY expert to measure and install your designer curtains with double tracks. So, are you looking for double curtains that run from ceiling to floor, known as a ceiling mount, or from the wall to floor, which is known as a face mount? Once you've decided, it's time to get measuring. First, you need to check the depth of your frame. For a face mount, if you have a built-in pelmet, make sure you have at least 220 mm of inside depth, as your curtains will project out a minimum of 200 mm from your wall. For a ceiling mount, measure the exact width of your ceiling from one wall to the other. This measurement will be your track width. For a face mount, measure the width from one wall to the other. Or if you just want to frame the window, measure the exact outside width of your window frame or recess and add 30%. This measurement will be your track width. Now measure the drop of your curtain. For ceiling mounts, measure from your ceiling down to the floor on the left, middle and right, and keep a note of the largest measurement. For face mounts, measure from where the top of your curtain track will be to the floor. When you're designing your curtains, you choose from 3 options. Just off the floor curtains will sit approximately 5 to 10 mm shorter than your drop measurement. Touching the floor curtains will skim your floor by up to 5 mm. Or puddling curtains, which are 20 mm longer than your drop measurement and will gather slightly on your floor. One thing worth remembering is that you can combine 2 different finishes, like puddling for your sheer and just touching for your block out. Please note down which finish you want for each curtain. Next, you need to select a wand size. And you'll also want to work out how you want to open and close your curtains, from the left, middle, or right-hand side. And remember, if you're adding motorization, you need to choose what side the motor will sit on. The last thing you need to do is choose your hem option. Some of those groovy fabrics come with a sewn-in weight at the bottom, and it's recommended you choose this where available for your curtain to sit just right. Now you're all set to order your curtains. Until next time, see you later, roller skater. If things aren't rolling along smoothly, just call us on 1300 918 390.